Video all about food. Look at all this spread of all this we had here. Is just live seafood. It was definitely incredible. But whole pot of soup is very clean and very clean. It totally requires a trolley to be brought to the table. Hello guys, welcome back to Jay's Journey. Today is another video all about food, but we'll be having a battle here. We'll be having a sea feast versus a Mongolian Grassland grilled. Which one is better? Let's check out first on our seafood paradise. Look at all this spread of all this braised meat is everywhere. There's so many food here. The chef is actually cutting all the meat out. You can see all these are actually different parts of the duck. There's legs, there's body, there's necks. The Teochew people are really obsessed with ducks. And not to mention all this seafood here, live seafood, livestock, all this in the tank. Not to mention all the wide variety of food that we had here is just pick and choose and you'll get them on your table. So look at all these spreads that we had ordered. I'm definitely hungry looking at all these spreads. Let's get the food going. Starting first with a Teochew style fried tofu. It's crispy on the outside and very silky, smooth on the inside. It had a specialized sauce that is salted, so by dipping inside, it tastes great. And you can never miss out the classic oyster fried egg. These two ingredients go so well together that I really love this dish, especially with chili sauce. Follow up with braised goose, liver, and this is straight up much better than the French foie gras. It's rich, fatty, and melts straight in your mouth. Of course, don't miss out on the braised goose meat either. It's tender and really savory. Then, this is a cool dish, mini baby squid, deep fried. It's really tender and very crispy. Don't miss out on the fish mouth. It's a collagen bomb, especially popular among ladies. Finally, the star of the show is here, and it's the seafood porridge. It's loaded with lots of fresh crabs and prawns, and we just gotta stir it out. All this seafood that's inside will buff up the flavors, making it into a flavor bomb. Teochew porridge is actually one of the most signature dish ever for this kind of cuisines. As the porridge base is very bland, it is a perfect sauce ever to soak up and enrich and power it with all the seafood flavors. You can taste all the umami inside. And don't be fooled by the looks. The Teochew food have over 400 years of histories. With so many years of maturing and perfecting the technique, you can bet that this porridge will taste great. And that's the complete of the seafood round. Next up, let's head over to the Grassland. Guys, the seafood feast was definitely incredible, but right now we have traveled to another world. Welcome to the kingdom of Mongolian grilled meat. And this cuisine is definitely the king of the grasslands. So let's start first with some mutton soup. The broth is definitely the selling point. They have been very generous with all the bones of the lambs. Using those as a base, the soup is very rich and we are going to use it to soak up some fresh vegetables. Have you recalled that on our previous hot pot video, we have been saying that how vegetables can act like an oil trap? Not here though, because at here the whole pot of soup is very clean and very clear. While the vegetable is cooking, we're going to try this viral sensation. It's a stuffed lamb tripe. As the name goes, they have stuffed minced lamb meat into lamb stomach and boiled it. So it's really chewy, it's really juicy, and it will explode with flavors because everything is being condensed together. This is a massive trend in Mongolia, China right now. It's especially famous on TikTok. In Chinese term, we call it 肚包肉. So let's grab a bite and see what is all the hype all about. Let's not forget about the cabbage that we just boiled. It's slightly sweet and it has perfectly infused with all the mutton aroma. It's clean yet so tasty. So we are done with the mutton soup. It's a great starter, but I haven't seen anything like it. The main dish is definitely gonna out you. It totally requires a trolley to be brought to the table. It's definitely not a small size dish. It's wrapped entirely with thick aluminum foil to trap everything. of the baking heat. So let's slice it open right now and get ready for the surprise. Right, so behold, it is a grilled lamb neck. You got to order this dish at least 1 hour in advance, and you need to be lucky because there are also days that you can't book it at all. It will be sold out. After all, lamb only got one neck, right? But trust me, it's worth your time and your money because this meat is probably the most tender part of the lamb. It's got lots of fats and collagen ratio. It's not really that greasy, but it's very neutral and it melts like butter. For now, let's wait patiently while the waiter is plating it for us. Look at this beautiful plating. All the waiting time is definitely worth it. So let's dig in and grab a bite. Wow guys, after the bite, I can tell you that this is really a great dish. It's packed with thick, melt collagen. You have to eat it warm. The meat is incredibly tender and is really nutritious. When I just bite down, all the meat just pull apart like tissue paper. So tell me, seafood versus grilled lamb, which is your preference? Be sure to comment and sub for more China adventure contents.